which is Nuer online. Today we are going to learn about some of the Nuer English basic words and phrases. Food, quan, quan. Food mean quan, quan. Water, pew, pew, pew. Dust, tur, tur. Air, jump, jump, jump. Cleaning, realengwanika, realengwanika. Sweeping, yech, yech, yech. Mopping, chot, chot. Mopping, chot. Ame chota beauty te pin. Mopping mean chot. Sweep, yech. Ame yech pin. Ame yech pin. Yech. Sweep the floor. Yech pin katur. Sweep the floor. Yech pin katur. This is wonderful. Nama guaye along. Nama guaye along. This is great. Nama guaye along. This is gorgeous. Nama guaye along. I love the way that you cook cup. And naka duop and she cup talkaje. And naka duop and she cup talkaje. I love the way that you cook cup. Cup, it is a new traditional food. When you want to refuse more food, like refusing more food, muloko kwan. I'm sorry, but I couldn't eat another things. Peliaka dung danio telemede nyok kamiat. Excuse me, but I couldn't eat anymore. Peliaka telemede nyok kamiat. It's just like you are full of something like that. Peliaka dundaneo telemede nyok kamiat. I'm sorry, but I'm completely full. Peliaka dundaneo chijeda tiang. Peliaka dundaneo chijeda tiang. I'm sorry, but I'm completely full. It was lovely, but I'm really full. Thanks. Guaye along dundaneo chijeda tiang. Chiloda tes. Guaye along dundaneo chijeda tiang. Chiloda tes. Could I add a little salt, please? Shen kadamato de Latin. Could I add a little salt, please? Shen kadamato de Latin. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Nama guaye halong. This is wonderful. Nama emu gualong. This is wonderful. Nama emu gualong. I'm glad you like it. Chiloda tes ko shenok. Chiloda tes ko shenok. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.